emotions I feel, they turn to none. I broke them one by one. The smile that I had through all these years, it bears these hateful tears. The scars that I had, I gulped although they hurt, but you won't know. And if it is true, you should admit you didn't notice it. Words you say that we can't see, they hit and they are killing me. You don't know how I feel inside. You don't know just how much I tried. Like that thought, it's out by now. I tried to get it back somehow. Then it slowly turned me into what is lies. In case you come, but run and flee. You know, it's fine with me. But if you are here and choose to be real, all my wounds will heal. It's always the same with me. So deep inside my heart you'll be. You're smiling and that's all I see. You know it's unforgivably that it hurts, it's hard to say, 'cause you won't hear it anyway. That it turns to clown on my behalf. You laugh and laugh. Right now I could just disappear, but it's a lie, it is a lie. Words you say that we can't see,